Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set dark mode in your phone Vivo Y100. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings, then go to display and brightness, then go to dark theme and just turn on this button and dark theme will be applied. This is dark mode. Instantly this mode will be appeared if you turn on this button. You can also schedule dark mode. For that, just click over dark theme and here you can schedule like sunset to sunrise or turn ons at custom time. At your own time, you can specify time. At the time, dark theme will be applied. Okay, so here I just set sunset to sunrise. If you turn on it, only when sunset and sunrise, this dark mode will be active. Okay, if you would like to set your own time, just turn on this button, turn on at custom time, and here you can specify start time. Click here and here you can specify your own time. Here I set 6 p.m. so every day 6 p.m. dark mode will be automatically applied and it will end on this time. Here you go to set the end time. Here I set end time to 8 a.m. So every day dark mode will be automatically applied at 6 p.m. and on next day it will be ended at 8 a.m. So here you specify your own time. Between this time dark mode will be automatically applied. So in this way also you can customize dark mode. Okay, if you want to have dark mode instantly applied, you got to use this button and it will be instantly applied. It's in now dark mode. See here. So dark mode will be useful for using your phone in low light or night time. Okay, it will be a very useful feature for you. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.